Hi guys, and welcome to day 3 of the Disney vlog. We are spending a late morning to an early afternoon in Epcot. We are again switching resorts. This will be the last time. We will spend next 7 nights at Port Orleans French Quarter. But before we go to that resort, we spend a quick short time in Epcot. We had a fast pass at Frozen, and I did not realize that the sound while I was talking was all messed up, so this is why I'm doing a voiceover right now. So we are just walking through the entrance of the Epcot and then over to the World Showcase, to the Norway where the Frozen ride is. I love the Frozen ride. It is one of my favorites here, and I used my phone to record because I was using it for Instagram, so I thought I'd share some of the clips from the ride for that as well. Once the ride was over, we just took a walk through a couple different areas of the World Showcase, and I also went to my favorite store, which is the Christmas store. It's in German Pavilion, and just looking at all different Christmas decorations that they have. They have really unique stuff that's not necessarily all Disney, and they also have the pickle tree. Once we got done at the Christmas store, we were making our way over to the Seas with Nemo ride because we had a fast pass for that as well. And that was our quick trip to Epcot, and now we are checking into Port Orleans French Quarter. We have never stayed here before, and my goal is to stay at all Disney resorts. So we had visited here because we came and got some beignets, but never stayed here. It is one of my more favorite resorts, moderate resorts. It is not my most favorite one, but I did enjoy staying here. We are staying at number 6344, and it is a river view. So building 6, it's the last building. So right over here there is an air conditioner. It's not too loud. A mirror, table and chairs, and they give you these. They were in the shape of a Mickey, but my kids got into them. Then a nice big TV with coffee maker and tea and coffee creams, nice glasses, paper cups, an ice bucket. And then we have a fridge here. Do like these a bit better. They're a bit bigger than the glass ones, the other ones, and lots of storage. There is a bench and a hanger, which I do love these. And then over here we've got beautiful beds, in my opinion, with beautiful light and a fan. And then over here there are some USB ports. Oh, I guess I have a message too. And just a drawer, some painting. There are 2 sets of charging stations here, which is great. Then coming over here is beautiful floor with the double sink, vanity. Just your standard toiletries in this one. The mirror. It's got the regular and then the really magnifying one. It's a closet. There's an ironing board, safe, and a laptop does fit the normal size. I think what is it, 15-inch. Extra pillows and blankets, trash cans, and then there's a toilet and a shower. I have to say this shower looks a bit better than the ones at Caribbean at the moment. And then there's the toiletries. The shower curtain has the crown and the frog from The Princess and the Frog. Turning around. That's a decent size, beautiful room. Don't know how the beds are. We ended up taking a boat over to Disney Springs for dinner. We ate at Deluxe Burger, which is one of my family's more favorite restaurants. We love Blaze Pizza as well, but my son loves Deluxe Burger. I just wanted to mention that I did opt from housekeeping at the Port Orleans French Quarter, and I got a $75 gift card for 7 nights. I think that's how much it was. So if you want to do that, that is an option. They'll still give you towels and toiletries and empty the trash, just won't make your bed or vacuum. And if you want new sheets, they'll give them to you, they just won't put them on your bed. we ended the night at the pool with a nice swim. It was a beautiful night. There were fireworks going off, and it was just a really nice, relaxing way to end the evening. Well, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Make sure you check out all the other ones. I have different room tours. And until next time, hope you guys have a magical day.